Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to attach tassel to the hem of this beautiful dress. So come along guys, let's begin. So I made a short BUBU dress, and it's just normal process of making your BUBU dress, so there was no need to do a tutorial on it. I'm just going to put the link on the description. So what you are going to do is, after making the dress, on the bottom part of the dress, that's the hemline, you go ahead and iron it. So you iron it as if you are stitching it with thread, okay? So but what I did was, I did not use stitch it up first. I used hemming gum to fold it in. Okay, so you just fold it in. So after folding it, you are then going to attach your tassel, but you can also attach the tassel before you fold it in. For those who want to do that, you can just put it in between of your dress and attach it inside before you fold it in with your hemming gum. Okay, so means you just put it in between and attach, but I decided to place it on top of it. Okay, so turn the fabric. You see what I'm doing? I'm pinning it each. So I had like 30 pieces of tassel, and I decided to pin it each so that I'll be able to know the space that I'll be giving to each of the tassel. So that's what you are going to do. So pin it and mark the spaces that you need. So you can use 2 inches, you can use 4 inches, you can use 3 inches. It depends on how many your client wants. Mine said she wants it to be more, so that is why you could see it that it was more on it. Okay, so after pinning it, now you are now going to take it to your sewing machine and stitch it up. Okay, so just pin it round, then when you are done pinning it, you stitch it up all the way round, just like you hemming your dress. So this is how it's going to be when you are done stitching. Can you see it? This is how it's going to fall. Before stitching it, you have to determine how long you want it to be. If you want the tassel to be long, if you want it to be short, it all depends on you. So you can make it shorter, you can make it longer. Okay, so just pin it according to what you want for your outfit. So I'm going to stitch it, then show you how it looks when I'm done stitching. So just come along guys, let's stitch it together. Before I go ahead and stitch it, I just want to give a quick recap. So you just place it. You see what I'm doing here? You just place it. You can put it in between before you iron it, or you can just place it this way, okay, and stitch. So it all depends on how you want to do yours. So this is it. This is the outfit on both sides, and this is it while stitching. So this is how you are going to stitch it. Just be very careful, then stitch it up. Be careful while you stitch it, okay? So just place, then go ahead, you mark again and you stitch. So what I did later on was, I used my fabric pen to mark it so that I'll be able to see the places that I want, and after doing that I just went ahead and placed the tassel on it. So you can do it that way. Just use your fabric pen and place the tassel and stitch. Okay, so we are stitching our hemline, just the same process. So just do exactly what I'm doing for yours. This is how it looks after stitching. This is how it looks. It's so pretty, and you have to determine how many you want to attach. Okay, if you want it scanty, if you want it to be much, it all depends on you. So this is mine, and I'm going to design the upper part of the dress, so that was why I did not, there was no need of me putting it on this video. So I will do a quick tutorial on how to embellish, add applique to the neckline of the dress. So thank you so much guys, thank you for watching today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye, guys.